Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to today's vlog. In today's episode, I will share with you yung pinaka gusto kong biling sneaker for 2021. So apparently there is one shoe. Kasi initially I thought there wouldn't be a shoe that I would be super, talagang gusto ko. Pero nakita ko na kung ano yun. So ikukwento ko sa inyo which sneaker is that. And apart from that, I'll just bring you guys along with me in my day. Kasi super exciting yung araw ko. In fact, we will start the day off with the swab test. Dahil kailangan ko swab test. Dahil come 3 o'clock, I have a shoot in the studio. And I need to show that I'm negative before I get into the shoot. So, tara, let's go! Shout out to Prep Protect Philippines for this awesome face mask. Alam mo, every time sinaswab test ako, kahit wala naman talaga akong dapat ikatakot, nakakabay. Kayo, kinabahan ba kayo every time nagpapatest kayo? So, let's take a... sana negative. So guys, nandito tayo sa baba, magpapaswab test na ako. Ayan, andyan na sila doc. Pero bago ang lahat, may nakita ako sobrang gandang upuan. So, kung sino man may-ari nito ng condo namin, kung nanonood ka, ang ganda ng upuan mo. Oh, di ko na pinakita yung pagsundot ng ilong ko. Pero yan, malalaman na natin in a few minutes. In a few minutes, pero 30 minutes. 15 minutes. So, antay muna tayo 15 minutes. Okay guys, the good news is negative. Ayun, COVID-19 antigen not detected. Woohoo! Tanda ko na, 38 years old. It's almost 10 o'clock, so I have a shoot from 10 to 12 dito lang sa bahay. And then, siguro around lunchtime, I'll break to shoot the part of the vlog na ikukwento ko sa inyo yung paborito kong sapatos or yung gusto kong bilhin na sapatos for the year. And then, I have to get ready kasi I have to go to a studio. Yan yung reason why I actually pick this one up. I have a shoot later at 3 o'clock in Makati in a studio for Project 721. So we are going to shoot the latest collection that we have with our latest collaboration with SNK ATK. So bibigyan ko rin kayo ng preview today. Makikita niyo some of the pieces, the models that we have. Sobrang panalo siya. So magiging exciting tong vlog na to. Keep on watching guys. The next time I see you, pakikita niyo kung ano lunch ko. And then papakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano yung sapatos na gusto kong bilhin for this year, 2021. So, kung meron man saan pala sa inyo makakuha ng shoes na to, size 13, hit me up. I will definitely buy it. And for today's lunch, we have Yoshinoya. O, diba? One of my favorite Japanese food when I was younger. So, ito yung isa sa mga paborito ko sa kanya, which is their chicken thing. And then, ito syempre, lahat ng mga Yoshinoya fans, sobrang fan ito, which is their beef gyudon. So, guys, kain na. Happy lunch! Pakita ko lang, bumili kami yung bagong ref. So, abangan nyo ang aming smart ref unboxing from Samsung very soon. So, soon on the vlog, maybe next week. So, in the car, we're headed over to the shoot. Pero yung shoes na gusto ko talaga bilhin, ito pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung, this is written on thisishype.ph. This is called, di ko alam paano pronounce parang Amamaniere Jordan 3. So this is the Jordan 3 collaboration, and I'll put the link down below to this shoe. But man, this is a really nice sneaker. So what do I like about it? It looks like a Jordan 3 that was designed for a luxury brand. So parang it's a mix of basketball culture, streetwear culture, and luxury, which I am totally digging. I love the minimalist colors, the different shades of white and gray and off-white and cream. Parang sobrang angas niya lang talaga tingnan. And ang ganda nung pagka-execute ng Nike logo dito sa baba. As in talaga sobrang panalo. Parang medyo creamy, earth tones, more on the lighter side. And it just looks like a very luxe, very elegant, very classy Jordan 3. Now, I'm not sure if this will release in the Philippines, but it does say na lalabas siya sa Houston, Atlanta, tsaka sa US, and it will be available as well in kid sizes. So hopefully they bring this out in the Philippines. If they don't, I will definitely hunt for it. If you guys are a reseller and you can hook me up with the size 13 of that shoe, DM me on IG, let's talk. I really want to get my hands on that sneaker. Parang sobrang panalo talaga, as in one of the very few shoes that I want to get for 2021. You guys along with me to the shoot. So this is for a collaboration with SNK ATK for our parang work from home samurai collection. So we call it Project Shadow. So I actually have 2 sets of models. Well, one isang tao lang, tas yung isa a really awesome young couple. So the guy, one of the main models, his name is Ali Sulit. He was actually my coach in judo during high school and college. So more on college. So he's a national judo champion, a national jiu-jitsu champion. The guy is really up there when it comes to martial arts, and I have huge respect for Coach Ali. And when we were thinking and conceptualizing of this particular collection, siya talaga yung unang tumatak sa ulo ko. And the second couple is a really awesome geek young couple, so si Bea Benedicto and si Jack. So I reached out to them. We talk actually often on Instagram, but we haven't met each other face to face. So this is the first time we're going to see each other. Kwentuhan kami. So super excited for the shoot. Stick around. I'll show you guys some clips. Maybe we can talk to them. Panalo to. Guys, I just want to introduce you to someone. This is Coach Ali. Used to be my coach in judo. So Coach, baka naman gusto mong i-plug yung IG or something.
IG.
Or whatever your social media account is.
Well, my martial arts IG is Ali Suli Jiu-Jitsu on Instagram. You can follow me there. Okay. Thank you to this guy. I love this guy.
Oh, salamat,
okay?
salamat. Binubuhat ako niyan dati with like one hand. Tas, yun, memories. Anyway, Coach, salamat. Thank you, appreciate it. Guys, watch out for the pictures and the video coming soon on Project 721 Sneak Attack featuring Coach Ali Sulit. Boom! So guys, this is the first time we're seeing each other, pero like kami nag-uusap. Oh, so we have Bea and Jen. Oh, hindi na kami Instagram friends. We're legit friends now. Diba? Since we've seen each other. O, plug nyo na lang IG nyo or whatever. Go!
Oh, okay, follow me, Bea B, at Bea_Benedict. So,
Yeah, just me, Jack you. There you go.
Oh, may TikTok ka na rin, diba?
Oh, TikTok pero ano lang ako sa kanya eh. Pagkasama lang.
yes!
Okay, so make sure to drop them a follow. Oh, so yun, thank you for being part of this project. Maraming salamat.
Thank you for having
So watch
us.
out for the drop of the apparel very, very soon. So yun, boom. So we're back here at home with my men hair. I hope you guys enjoyed that montage that I showed you of the shoot and some of the clips that we had with some of the people. Before we close out today's episode, mag-happy birthday lang tayong lahat sa isa kong good friend. So ito na.
Yan na.
Tada! Birthday po ni Mr. Ison de Guzman over there. So sabay-sabay tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Guys, puntahan nyo si Ison sa kanyang Instagram, tapos batiin nyo siya ng isang happy birthday. A link down below to his IG. Batiin nyo siya para sa akin. Spam nyo siya ng happy birthday sa latest IG post niya. And by the way, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming newest addition sa aming Penguin family. Pangalan niya ay Louie. That's it. Peace. God bless. What's up? Louie. Boom!